I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a printer to your network. First, ensure your printer is powered on and properly connected to your local network, either wirelessly or via an Ethernet cable. Next, gather essential information such as the printer's unique IP address or its host name. Finally, confirm that the computer you're using is also connected to the very same network as your printer. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth setup process. For Windows users, begin by opening Settings and navigating to Bluetooth and Devices, then selecting Printers and Scanners. Click Add a Device and choose the option the printer that I want isn't listed. From there, select to add a printer using a TCP/IP address or host name. Input the printer's IP address you gathered earlier, and simply follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation. If you're on a Mac OS system, open System Settings and then click on Printers and Scanners. Look for the Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax button, which typically appears as a plus sign, and click it. Select the IP tab and enter your printer's IP address. Choose the appropriate protocol, such as HP JetDirect socket, and then select the correct driver for your specific printer model. This will ensure proper communication. After installation, it's vital to print a test page to confirm everything is working correctly. If the printer isn't found, first check your network connectivity and ensure both devices are on the same network. Double-check the printer's IP address and verify that you selected the correct driver during setup. If issues persist, try restarting both your printer and your computer. These steps resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.